If sheep wouldn't live in flocks, shepherds would need eyes everywhere. However, with complex designs in dynamic environments, many signals need to be checked at the same time, to avoid costly design errors. With 4-channel oscilloscopes, one must choose which signals are lost.
Fortunately, there are oscilloscopes with 8 channels, allowing you to correlate digital and analog signals simultaneously. These Teledyne LeCroy oscilloscopes always operate with an extraordinary 12-bit precision. Even 16 channels are possible, with a mix of probes. For an extra pair of eyes, you need to see the experts in test end measurement.